would we cut a sew? It is a very cold day. The snow is very white. I feel a little chilly. I want a small treat. Where is the food? I will use this blue dish. I found the big bag. Humble. These are very pretty. I am ready to eat. I've never seen a peanut quite like this one. It's so bumpy. Wait, I think I see a tiny face on it. I need to break it. Did? You? Here? That? There are 2 in here. I love this food. I am chewing slowly. This air potuarud. This is very good. Eat with spread, help with name, hope you flip that, hope. This is very loud. This one is tiny. This is like a rock. Ooh. I like this dark color. Now it is open. Look at my thumb. I use my left side. I got you, Kopol. I am watching the bowl. I am not powerful enough. I need this machine. Oh. This is the nut breaker. I must squeeze hard. I like this roundness. This is not sweet. This has a deep flavor. Making the healthy choice is easier than you think. I feel strong now. My arms feel strong. I am not chilly now. I am not chilly now. I need some hot water. This is my favorite. I am very thirsty. I must wait. This seat is soft. I am under the wool. Aller, der, under wool. I am resting now. I love the glass. Oh. It is so bright. It is cold out there. Whoa. This is a good life. I feel wonderful. It is late now. The day is over. I feel so calm.